Hello everyone, welcome to Mariner's Point. Here we are going to discuss MU Class 4 Electrical Written Numerical Questions. Question we can see on the screen: a 4-pole motor is fed at 440 volt and takes a armature current of 50 ampere. The resistance of the armature current circuit is 0.28 ohm. The armature winding is wave connected with 888 conductors and the useful flux per pole is 0.023 Weber. Now we have to calculate the speed. Now, now we will solve this question step by step. First, we will see what are the given data we have from the question. We can see supply voltage is given. You can see 440 volt. Armature current is given IA, which is equal to 50 ampere. Armature resistance is given, which is 0.28 ohm. Number of conductor on armature is represented by Z equal to 888. Flux per pole is 4 and flux per pole number of pole is 4 and flux per pole is 0.023 Weber. Now binding है wave connected. So number of parallel path A is equal to 2. Okay. The value of A is 2 because binding is wave connected. It is wave connected. So number of parallel path is equal to A barabar 2. Okay. Now first we will calculate EMF. We have to calculate the speed, and for a DC machine formula of a speed is equal to, it is correlated with EMF equation. EMF is equal to P phi Z N divided by 60A. So from this, the here N is a speed. So we have to remember this formula. For this, we have to calculate induced EMF. P is given, phi is given, and Z is also given, A is also given. So only in this we have to calculate EB. Okay. So how can we calculate EMF, that is back EMF? For this, we know that terminal voltage is equal to back EMF plus armature potential drop in armature resistance. Okay. So here back EMF is equal to terminal voltage minus potential drop in armature resistance. Okay. So here we will use this formula to calculate the value of back EMF. Now to calculate the back EMF, terminal voltage is given. So we have to calculate voltage drop across armature resistance. That is IaRa. Ia is given, Ra is given. So simply we can calculate voltage drop across armature resistance, which is equal to 14 voltage. And terminal voltage is given 440 volt. Okay. So we can simply calculate back EMF, that is equal to 426 volt. Now we will come to the formula of back EMF, which is equal to for DC machine P phi Z N divided by 60A, and we will put all the value in this equation. We will simply calculate a speed. You can see here. Now formula for N is this one. After rearranging, we will get this formula. Now 60A EB we already calculated. MF P value is given, I is given, and Z is given. All the value we will put here. Then we will get the value of N, which is equal to when calculating solving this equation, what we will get value of speed, which is equal to this one. Okay, so simply we already given information related to how you can find a speed. For that you have to calculate back EMF. Okay, so we can calculate a speed here. Only we have data problem, so we can simply solve this question. How can we find the value of speed? For that, what formula we required, we already told you. Thank you.